Breaking crypto news, guys. I'm coming to you live from my hotel room. I want to come out here and give you guys my opinion on where I think this market's head here. I'm sniffing out some different long positions, some different trades over on Blofin and Bitfinex, and I'm starting to really realize that right now the market is at a make or break moment, if you will. And I do think that right now we are starting to gear up for setting up for a much, much larger move to the upside. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just here giving you information that is for entertainment purposes only. It's as simple as that. But I do want to tell you guys what I'm thinking about these markets. I've been trading for nearly a decade in the crypto space, and I've been investing for longer than that. And I just wanted to give you my piece. I think that moving into Q4, we're only a few days away from the FOMC meeting. We're moving into the weekend. It's going to be moving into this weekend. We've seen Bitcoin make a large move to the upside, a quite nice move, breaking above a very important level around 116,000. I really would like to see a weekly candle closure above 116,500. And if we do see that play out, I do think altcoins are going to be setting up for a very, very meteoric rise in Q4. You look at Crowcoin, I'm in a Crowcoin long. I'm leveraged up. I've taken my profit, and I'm just continue to raise my stop loss higher and higher and higher. I'm in a Solana long. I'm long spot as well as leverage as well. And I do think that we could be going for targets of 300 plus on Solana. And really, I just want to give an overall encompassing message that I think that there's not all altcoins are going to perform well here. I think there's some that are really, really presenting themselves with good entries and others that are not. And it's very important to pick between what are the winners and what are not the winners and what has been performing and what hasn't been performing. And I think that this cycle, it's going to be a little bit different, this altcoin cycle. I think that not all altcoins are created equal. And I think not all altcoins will perform the same. And I think that's important to be taking that away. But guys, if you do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We'll have a awesome sign-on bonus to Bitfinex, a $100,000 deposit bonus, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Blofin, we have a $5,000 sign bonus. Check it out, guys. The affiliate links help support this channel. And if you're trading or want to learn how to trade, there's all these lucrative rewards to be taken advantage of on these different exchanges. So take advantage of it, guys. But guys, all in all, I just want to come out here and give you just my general idea of what's going to be happening here. So we saw Gemini IPO today. I got into it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got into any of the Gemini IPOs, if you got any shares. We're seeing crypto exchanges, crypto companies launching their company. They're launching shares, becoming publicly traded companies. We see Jerome Powell getting ready to pivot towards quantitative easing and rate cuts. I do believe that we are starting to pivot into a time where this remainder of 2025 is going to be very, very lucrative for being crypto holders and investors and traders. So I'm really just trying to tell you guys how I'm viewing this. And I do think that. And I just want to come out here, short video, give you guys a quick breaking news because I'm seeing a lot of interesting hype playing out. But I will say it's pretty quiet. It is pretty quiet, especially in like the Solana space. The Solana's near $250 again. Crowcoin is pretty quiet while we're trading around 30 cents after seeing a huge move to the upside, and other alts, and Bitcoin is making a nice bounce. It's still pretty quiet. So guys, I would say buckle up and pay attention because I do think that some exciting times are coming into Q4 2025, guys. That's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.